Hello. We're here at the last page of section 9.2, and we have the applications of rational equations. So here we have a herd of antelope is released into the state game lands. The expected population P, so that's that right there, of the herd can be modeled by the equation blah, where T in time, that's the time in years. Okay, after how many years, blah, blah. So since the initial number of antelope were released. So when, it's asking us T, would the population reach 100 antelopes? So when, so we're looking for T, that equation equals 100. So here's how you set it up. 100 equals, and then the equation they gave us. Good thing we get a calculator for this unit, huh? So you can look at this, you can think cross multiply. And since you have a whole number here, that's always over 1. So this multiplies this equals this multiplied that. So 15 plus 42t. And then all of that multiplied by 100. If you cannot do this in your head, punch it in the calculator. Okay. So now I'm going to isolate t. So minus 15t from both sides, you get 27t. Minus 15 on both sides, you get 85. Divide by 27. So 85 divided by 27, you have approximately 3.15 years. Remember that t is time in years since the initial number of antelopes. So about 3.15 years. Okay, find the initial number of the herd. Initial means at what point, with how many animals did the herd start with? So at year 0, because that's the initial, that's the beginning. So year 0. So year, we have, that's time. So we're going to replace 0 for t right there. So 15 plus 42, 0, over 1 plus 0.15, 0. And you can go ahead and put that in the calculator, but there's no need. Don't work hard. Anything times 0 is 0. So it's just 15 over 1. It's just really 15 antelopes in the initial herd. Okay, one more. How long would it take the herd to double in size? So at this point, we already know the herd started with 15. Double, it's 15 times 2. So how long? What is t? Will the herd have 30 antelopes? So I need to make that equals 30. And then we're solving for t again, just like what we did in the first one. And we're going to solve the same way. And here you can do 30 times 0.15, that's 4.5. Minus 4.5 on both sides, that's 37.5. Minus 15 on both sides, that's 15. Now you're going to divide 35 divided by 37.5. And you get 0.4 years, so almost 6 months. The end.